Do you avoid fish oil supplements for the fear of the dreaded fish burp? That is one of the most common reasons why I hear people aren't taking fish oil and miss out on all the benefits. But what a lot of people don't know is that your fish oil should never have a strong smell or fishy taste, and it should not give you fish burps. If it does, that means your fish oil has likely been exposed to oxygen and is either rancid or on its way to becoming rancid. Not only does rancid fish oil taste horrible, but it can actually have negative effects on your health. At Nordic Naturals, they take extra steps during processing to ensure their fish oils are not exposed to oxygen and pride themselves on not allowing their customers to experience a fishy taste, smell, or those dreaded fish burps, so you can reap the benefits in a pleasant way. So the next time you choose a fish oil, remember, for freshness, health, and no fishy burps, Nordic has you covered.